Have you guys ever ordered a nightstand online and it comes and it's just not the right scale or it's crappy quality? I feel like that's the most common thing that I run into even as an interior designer. And so I wanted to solve that problem. And I'm going to show you today some nightstands that are high quality, solid wood, and they're great scale. They're no more of these tiny like Target baby nightstands. So check it out with me. In case you're new here, I'm Molly Openshaw. I'm an interior designer turned social media influencer, kind of. But what I do is actually share home finds that don't suck. Basically, I go through products and find out what's the best value for your money so that you don't have to. And like I said in the intro, one of the things that was the hardest to find was good nightstands that were quality and a good scale. Often what companies do, like I've mentioned this before, but Target and Walmart and places that have certain numbers to hit, they'll just take a really cool nightstand and shrink it down, and it makes it more like almost like kid sized. And so if you run into that problem, this video is for you. And I'm excited to show you why these nightstands that I'm sharing today are just bringing back really good quality. So they are solid wood, first of all. And as I go through, I'll kind of tell you the details of the space so you can kind of get oriented size-wise. This is a king size bed. I'm going to sit down here so I can show you this better, but this is a king size bed, and these nightstands are awesome because, like I mentioned, they're solid wood and we have some really nice features. So even just like you can see, like opening this drawer, you got a good pull on it because it's so solid. We've got the dovetail construction for the drawers, all the wood, and then this also has that soft close feature. I slammed that pretty good and it still shuts so softly. So just top quality here, and I think this is a piece you should invest in because I love that there's the storage, and then also just like nightstands get actually a decent amount of use. You know, you've got a lot of people will use it as a dresser almost. When you have these deep drawers, you can do that. And I think just getting that scale right design-wise is so important. So these kind of check that box in the middle range price point because you have your McGee & Co stuff that's really, really pretty. And I've heard mixed reviews on like quality because they carry different brands. What I love about this line, this Vineyard Home, is that I got to have control over designing the pieces and the quality. So I know that every single item is going to be built right and just deliver that quality and not rely on another brand to provide it, which I've kind of had to in the past when I've just been bringing product suggestions. This is why it's been so exciting, and thank you guys also for your support in the first drop for Vineyard Home. It's going pretty darn well, and so we're expanding the line. So let me show you a couple other styles, and real quick, I'll explain this color too. If you guys are looking for good quality, it's almost more of like a small dresser type of nightstand, but this one is kind of it's got a little bit of a light wash over it, and it's still a brown color, but it's grayed down. I like to do that so that we don't have too much of you don't ever want like an orangey or red tone. This goes with, you can see how well it goes with my floor. It's kind of that European oak, and just the grain on this is really beautiful as well. So it's pretty neutral, but it's like a grayish brown tone for the wood finish on this. And I did do a couple others. I'm going to show you one that's in a similar color with a little bit more simple modern design. And then I've got two others that I'm sharing today as well. So stay tuned, and I'd love to hear in comments which one you guys like best. We'd also love to have you follow along here on our channel, Design Loves Detail. And you can check me out on Instagram at Design Loves Detail or our website, designlovesdetail.com. So let's jump over to the other side of the bed and I'll show you this other design. Okay, so like I said, similar wood tone on this one where we've done that grayish brown and a little bit of a white wash so you can really see that wood grain come through. And this one's a 3-drawer, so tiny bit different setup and a little bit more modern and simple. So I wanted a rounded edge on this one and I love it. Great for like if you have kids too, because there's less corners for them to, hit when they're little and they might run into edges. That nice smooth edge is so nice. And you can see how deep this is too. Again, with the soft closed drawers, and just really nice. I did the hardware to kind of blend in here and be minimal. So just kind of a different style, but same great quality. The real wood and all the construction is just so beautiful and solid. So, oh, I think I was saying earlier how these kind of hit that middle price point where you have, like I was saying, there's sometimes those extremes of like, you can get like the press board or like cheaper furniture options that don't have any real wood, or you might get the real wood or some partial real wood in higher end collections. But these are just basically a top end product at a mid-range price point. You know, sometimes like if you guys have looked on McGee & Co, and obviously I love McGee & Co stuff too, but the price point's hard. It's hard to spend $1,200 on a nightstand, or even like $1,500 or $2,000. Some of them are really, really spendy. Even the ones that I used in my bedroom initially were like, they were a big splurge for me. And so I have made all of these pieces as reasonable as we possibly can, but I really think you're gonna be so impressed for the quality at that price, even though it's not like it's cheap. In my dream world, we could offer them, you know, for less, but like we've anyway, made them as affordable as we can. All right, here we are in another bedroom. This one has a queen size bed. I still kept a really similar height and width for these, so they have that substantial feel. And like I said, this is a little bit different wood stain. This one has, it's still a brown too, but again, really saturated, grayed down brown, so that it reads neutral, and it goes with like a variety of different floor options. What I really wanted to do with these two is just make the wood tones as neutral as we could, with still offering some variety, so that they will blend more seamlessly with other wood tones you might have in your home. This one, 2 large drawers and then that open shelf, which is great, you know, for you can have your books or whatever on that open shelf. Sometimes really cute for just decor display as well. But then with how wide these are, you still get a decent amount of storage with the 2 drawers. Really modern, clean handle in that kind of a muted, like it's not shiny. So what's the word I want to say? I love that, but tired enough that I can't think of the word. But that brass tone that's brushed, more of a brushed brass. We'll get there. Anyways, so these again, really clean lines and a modern, sophisticated feel that I think is clean enough that it blends with a variety of styles. You can see it with the cute upholstered striped bed. I love that this color pulls out that stripe in the fabric, and just, I think these are really versatile too. I tried to make all the styles be flexible with what kind of bed you're pairing it with. Another bedroom with a queen size bed for reference, and a classic simple design here too. This one has it's like almost a tone on tone with the wood and the hardware on this. So this piece again will blend seamlessly with so many styles and wood tones. It has a little bit more warmth to it in this one, just kind of a natural looking raw type of oak finish that has a subtle, like I said, a subtle warmth, but is just still really flexible. And again, lots of storage. I love, this one is the 2 drawer and still the soft close. So it gives you a good amount with how wide this is. I don't know if I mentioned, but it's 36 inches wide. So it really does help you utilize the space to either side of your bed so well, and just get that substantial feel with the hardwood, that solid wood. These are just really like heirloom, timeless pieces. I wanted to base it, like I've mentioned before, on kind of like the classic timeless nature of European antiques and just how much better quality things used to be made with. So you'll see that, I think, in all of these pieces, and I am so excited to, you know, share them with you and get them in your homes. So be sure to share when you get yours, what you think, and you can post pictures and tag us on Instagram. Love to see how you guys style it as well. So one more thing I want to mention is just the trade-off that I have found for getting what was so important to me, this quality in these pieces, is that they are built when you order. So it takes about 6 weeks-ish to get built and it's sent to you. So plan ahead, but hopefully you can, because I really think that the quality of them is worth that extra time. Let me know what you guys think too about your favorite style. If there's something you'd like to see, you can leave that in comments below. Again, the links for these two, actually maybe I haven't mentioned it yet, but links are always in description, where you can shop these exact pieces with Small Business Saturday. Thank you guys so much for supporting us in both my journey on Instagram, and then here with this new collection, it's been a whole different journey for us. I'm like so tired even making this video because it's so much work, really getting everything done. But it's also super exciting and super rewarding because it's getting to see these pieces come to life. So thank you guys so much for being here and supporting us on this little new endeavor. I'll see you next week.